Hello everyone, welcome to EC Studios, and today we're having a look at the GTX 980 Ti that I've had for a while, and a friend of mine's GTX 1070 that he let me borrow for some testing. And it's just a really quick couple benchmarks I decided to run to see which one still comes out on top in 2019. Enjoy the benchmarks, like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, there's a Discord server below as well. Well, there we have it. As you see, the 980 Ti still comes out on top in most of the benchmarks, except the 3D Mark, Time Spy, and a couple of the minimum scores of some of the tests. Probably due to the card being a bit newer, the driver optimizations are a bit better, so it's a bit more stable in the FPS with most things, as well as in 3D Mark Time Spy being a slightly higher resolution test, the extra 2GB of VRAM probably came in to help there. So thank you everyone for watching, I hope you found this informative. So if you're looking at buying a second-hand graphics card, perhaps the 980 Ti is still a really good option, as well as the fact that the 1070 is relatively close to the 1660 and 1660 Ti. So that's about the performance you're going to be getting, which is still really great in 2019 as you can see. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, Discord server below, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.